Hello and welcome to the Ace of Trades. Thanks for coming out today. I just wanted to take a quick second and thank you guys have been leaving me some feedback. Let me know what you've liked about the videos, what kind of trades you've been getting in. I really appreciated that. If you guys are still liking the videos, still enjoying the content, please leave a like and subscribe and let me know what you're thinking in the comments. You're probably getting pretty tired of it at this point, but we are still talking about EVs, talking about Tesla, NIO, XPENG, Li Auto. And we're also going to be talking about a few charging companies as well. But I just wanted to take you to IEA.org real quick. This is a really cool website. They have a whole lot of analysis and information from tons of different countries on different fuels and technologies, projections and data and all that sort of cool stuff. And I've really been liking this website, but it also does help you out with the stock market as well. If we scroll down here, we can see, so this year, or I'm sorry, last year in 2019, electric vehicles had a 40% year-on-year increase in sales, but still only made up 2.6% of the global car sales. So if we're talking about a 40% year-over-year increase in the EV world as a whole, and there's still only 2.6% of the global car sales being electric, this is not even a quarter of the way or half the way through, market for these EV companies. I mean, this is something that's still fresh, and it's still something that you can get into. And analysts are saying that next year they're even expecting 50% or more year-over-year increase compared to 2020. I'm not sure what it is this year. It's probably close to 50. And also, here's another huge one. Only made up 1% of the global car stock in 2019. Obviously, that's probably going to be a little different with the data from this year when we do finish out the year. But it is definitely growing exponentially, and you definitely still have a chance to get in there and make some money and buy some shares for the long run. I've been seeing people saying Tesla is going to be hitting 3,000 in a matter of 3 to 4 years. Some people are thinking NIO is going to be at 300 within 2 years. I mean, some crazy projections, and frankly, you need to be looking into this stuff if it's something that you're considering. And if we even come down here a little farther, they even have some graphs and stuff laid out. A whole lot of information. This is all really good stuff if you want to come out here and check it out. We can actually see some information on charging as well. And there's about 80% of the chargers in the world are private chargers. So we're still not really caught up with the amount of public charging stations we need as well. And you can see the amount of publicly accessible slow chargers is a lot more than the fast chargers. And China actually has 82% of the world's public fast chargers, while the United States only has 5%, and the United States only has 11% of the world's electric vehicle slow chargers. So there's a lot of potential here in charging companies as well. So we're talking about EVBox, Blink Charging. There's a bunch of new merger companies coming out as well for that sort of thing, and they're all going to be going up, just like EV stocks. I can almost guarantee it. They might not have the same type of path, but it is very clear from these charts that we need a lot more fast chargers, and we need a lot more public chargers as well, because too many people just have their slow trickle chargers in their home, and we need to be expanding if we're going to be adding 40-50% year-over-year car sales. So this is a huge market, and we can actually see here that over the past week and a half, there have been, a lot of these EV companies have been offering depository shares in order to raise some capital, which isn't a bad thing. That's good for the company, but bad for the shares in the short term. We've been seeing even more of a downtrend, and it's frankly the best time to get in. And I know I sound like a broken record, but it's going to be really, really beneficial for you to get some money together and put a little portfolio together with some of these EV companies. I'd recommend maybe going 40% Tesla, 25% NIO, and then split it up with a few different charging companies and fill in the rest with XPENG and Li Auto. I would say you're going to see some ridiculous returns on that within the upcoming years, and I can almost guarantee that. So again, definitely come out here to iea.org. This is a really cool website, and this can actually help you find out some of your own investing opportunities. So I wanted to make it a pretty quick video, but I also wanted to leave a little message here at the end if you made it this far. I know we have some new lockdowns coming into play here, especially in my state recently. We're closing indoor dining, gyms, a lot of private businesses are shutting down again for at least 3 weeks. And I just wanted to say that I really hope, you guys want to go out there and support your favorite private businesses, because these guys are really struggling right now. The beginning of the year was already really bad for them, and now we're trying to close down their dining again. I mean, they've been as creative as possible. I mean, limiting seats inside, glass panels, plastic, plexiglass panels to protect you and protect them. All sorts of things like that, new curbside, takeout features, everything, and yet they're still struggling, and we're allowing all of these chain restaurants and retail places to stay open, and they're taking all the sales as these private businesses are really, really struggling. So especially around the holidays, these people need to be making a living, and it's really frustrating that, the vaccine's right around the corner, and, we have so many people that are going to be struggling to have good livelihoods over the next couple weeks. So keep that in mind, and let me know what you think about this video. If you're liking the content, please like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Thanks.